How to comment anonymously on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to comment anonymously on Facebook. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Facebook app on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap three line icon at top right corner of the screen. Select groups on this menu section. You will see all the list of the groups on your Facebook. Scroll down and open any group that you'd like to. When you scroll down under write something, you will get anonymous post option. Select it and here are all the instructions and the guideline that you need to review. After that, you're on the what's on your mind, you can simply tap on it and write in anything that you feel like. And after that, tap the post icon at top right corner of the screen. And after that, you can anonymously comment on Facebook. That's all for today. And thank you for watching. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.